Hi there, Haley with Colorado Realty and Property Management. I'm going to continue explaining the move out process. All right, now that you know how to prepare for move out day, let's go over how to leave your property in great condition. This is one of the biggest factors in getting your deposit back quickly and in full. We recommend going room by room with your checklist in hand. Let's start with the living room and bedrooms. Make sure carpets are vacuumed, walls are wiped down, and personal items are completely removed. Check blinds and windows. They should be clean, locked, and working properly. In the kitchen, empty out the refrigerator, freezer, and cabinets, and wipe everything down, inside and out. Clean the stovetop, oven, and microwave, and don't forget to pull out appliances to clean behind and underneath. For the bedrooms, remove all personal items, clean the tub or shower thoroughly, and make sure mirrors and sinks are wiped down. Do not leave behind things like toilet paper, shower curtains, or cleaning supplies. In your closets and patio areas, everything should be cleared out, swept, and wiped down. A few small but important details that can make a big difference. Replace those light bulbs and smoke detector batteries if needed. Swap out your furnace filter. Make sure trash bins are empty. If trash is left behind, there's an additional vendor charge. And if you had the carpets cleaned, remember to leave the carpet cleaning receipt on the kitchen counter. A good rule of thumb is, if it wasn't there when you moved in, make sure it's gone when you move out. If your property looks clean, empty, and move-in ready for the next resident, you're all set. In the next video, we'll talk about what happens once you've moved out, including key return and how the security deposit process works.